I feel like the other woman even though I'm the fiancé. My fiancé, Lance, 30M, and I, 27F, had been together for 3 years and engaged for 6 months. Before me, he had a 5-year relationship with a woman named Elaine, 31F, with whom he has a son. Lance is a very quiet and reserved guy, but I've always known that Elaine is his first love and was ready to have a life with her, but she never wanted more of it. She never wanted to marry or plan a life by his side and only realized it when their son was born and she broke up with him. They co-parent amazingly and are really respectful of each other. Their son absolutely adores them both and it's a really kind, well-mannered and charming boy. Still, I feel like something is odd. Lance has made it clear that he loves me deeply, and that he wants a life with me, but doesn't want more children, and I'm not to act as a parent to his son and will only be involved what they deemed necessary, which is fair. It hurts me because I want to have a family of my own, yet, I love him enough to put that aside. Sometimes I feel like Lance is still in love with Elaine.